What if tomorrow morning we woke up to breaking news? We're not alone. A signal from deep space, intelligent, deliberate, and unmistakably alien, has reached Earth. The world would never be the same again. The first sign might come from radio telescopes, detecting a repeating transmission from a distant star system. Within hours, scientists confirm it isn't natural.
I've got a new reading.
Governments hold emergency meetings, and humanity faces its greatest question: how do we respond? Panic, awe, disbelief. Every emotion floods social media and news networks. Religions re-examine ancient texts. Markets collapse, then rebound. People look to the skies not for stars, but for answers. Across the globe, billions feel the same chilling realization: we are no longer alone in the universe. Eventually, we decipher their signal. Maybe it's mathematical, a universal language of logic. Or maybe it's visual, a map, an invitation, a warning. Humanity debates whether to reply. Some scientists urge caution. What if they're far more advanced? Others say this is our moment to step forward as equals among the stars.
We must address the issue before it escalates further.
We need more time to consider all options.
Then comes the unthinkable. Alien ships enter our solar system. Massive, silent, unlike anything we've seen. The world holds its breath as they descend into Earth's atmosphere. Cameras stream every second live. And for the first time in history, two intelligent species stand face to face. Their technology bends physics itself. Ships hovering effortlessly, materials beyond comprehension. We attempt communication through symbols, sounds, and gestures. Maybe they respond with empathy, or maybe with cold observation. We realize their motives may not be easy to understand. What's friendly to them might not be to us. In days, everything changes. Nations cooperate like never before. War feels meaningless when compared to cosmic discovery. But fear also grows. Some believe the aliens have come to help us. Others think it's the beginning of the end. Conspiracies spread faster than truth. Humanity's unity is tested like never before. Whether they come in peace or power, first contact would rewrite everything.
It's amazing how many species coexist here.
Indeed. A truly vibrant hub of the galaxy.
Science, religion, identity, and destiny. Humanity would finally confront the vastness of the universe, not as explorers, but as participants. Because once first contact happens, there's no going back.